Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Madie. Today I'm going to be doing a voiceover for this cute little Valentine's Day look. If you want to see how to achieve this look, just keep on watching because I'm going to show you, and don't forget to like and subscribe to see more of me. So I'm going into the color Golden Ochre from the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm just taking that into the crease as an initial transition color. I'm going to be going with some pink, so I don't want to go like too orange or anything. This is the perfect color for this look, I think. On a super dirty brush, because those babies need to be cleaned, I'm going to take these three pink and red colors from the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm going to apply this into the crease and the outer corner, a little bit lower than the transition color that I've already applied. And I am like really packing this color on and blowing this out into the crease, and then going back in with that brush that I used before to just kind of assist in blending. And here I am dancing to Ariana Grande's new album, which just came out last night, and I am obsessed. I stan a queen, obviously. I also took the color I'm Into It from MAC. This is from a custom-made palette that I have, and I'm taking that into the way outer corner and blending that into the red colors that I've already applied into the crease and outer corner. And I am, of course, going back in with those brushes that I've already used before, just to kind of assist in blending again. Then I'm going to take the color Mythology from MAC. This is, again, from my custom-made MAC palette, my pink palette. And I did with the brush with a little bit of the Smashbox primer water. And I'm taking that really pretty pink gold color into the inner portion of the eyelid. Then I'm taking the MAC Blacktrack Fluidline, and I'm just applying a solid straight black line onto the upper lash line. And I'm just cleaning up underneath the eyes with a wipe. Then I'm going to prime the skin. I know, I don't even know who I am anymore using a primer, but I'm using the Smashbox primerizer, and I'm just applying that to the face. I'm just a little extra dry right now, and everything just kind of looks dry and crusty on my skin, so I just need a little extra layer of hydration, and that just really gives it to me. And of course, to add a little bit of extra glow, because I am extra AF, I'm going to be using the Benefit High Beam Liquid Highlighter, and I'm applying that onto bare skin underneath my foundation to add a little bit extra glow. And look at that face. That's a face that says, ooh girl, yes, you better glow, honey. And I'm like really going hard, just kind of applying this all over the face, of course. For foundation, listen, I'm trying to use my Project Pan items, but also the Natasha Denona Face Glow is my favorite foundation, and sometimes you just gotta bust her out. and I'm just using this all over the face. It's just such a beautiful foundation. If I was going out on a date on Valentine's Day, which I think me and my boyfriend are just staying in, but if I was going out on a date, I would use this foundation because it's my favorite. It just looks so beautiful, has wonderful medium to full coverage, and just a gorgeous dewy glow, and it adds a lot of hydration, and I just love it a lot, you know? To conceal any spots on my face, I'm going to be using the MAC Conceal and Correct palette, and I'm going to use the color NC15, and with a MAC 170S brush, which I love this concealer brush so much, it just applies concealer beautifully. I'm applying this concealer to my spots just to add a little bit of extra coverage where the foundation maybe didn't cover up some of those little nasties that I've got chilling on my face right now. Thanks, hormonal acne. To conceal and highlight the under eyes, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the color Swan. Is this in my project pan? Yes, this is in my project pan. Ooh, look at me, oh my god. Anyways, I'm applying this in little dots all over the face, and then I'm blending it in with my beauty blender to blend it seamlessly into my skin. To set my under eyes and the center of my face, I'm going to be using the MAC Next to Nothing Powder in Light Plus. This is also in my project pan. Anyways, I've been really liking using a sponge to apply my powder. I just feel like it blends it really seamlessly into the skin, and I just like the look of a seamless skin finish. So I'm going in with the Nightingale lip pencil from MAC onto my waterline, but I honestly ended up covering this up with a black eyeliner. I used MAC Feline Eye Kohl. You can use more of a pink if you want, but I ended up just feeling black anyway. Anyways, I'm also going in with the I'm Into It eyeshadow onto the lower lash line, and then I'm also going to blend it out with those pink and red colors from the Modern Renaissance from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And to further blend that out, I'm going in with the golden ochre color from the Modern Renaissance palette again. So I'm doing lashes and mascara on camera, which I never do. For mascara, I am using the Hot Naughty Lash from MAC. This is my first ever MAC mascara. I love this mascara so much. It has wonderful customizable volume and thickness because it has the wand with like the two little ends. It's a great mascara. And then for lashes, I am using the MAC 48 and 35 stacked lashes. Definitely my favorite lashes of all time. Lots of drama, really, really big and bold. I just think that they go so well with every look. Oh, I'm also highlighting the inner corner. Wow, hello. I used the Show Gold highlight from MAC. It's a beautiful pink gold reflect. I'm also taking the color Tempera from the Modern Renaissance palette onto a little fluffy brush, and I'm just applying this right to the highest arch of the brow bone. Oh look, now I'm applying lashes. This is why I don't apply lashes on camera, because I struggle bus so hard with these lashes, I swear, but they really do make a difference. Like, bam! Then I'm going to bronze my skin. I'm going to be using the gross, nasty, busted, crusted Delicate's bronzer from MAC that is in my project pan. and I'm using this to bronze up and add some warmth to my skin. I love this bronzer color so much, and I just feel like it complements my skin tone beautifully. I'm using a really light hand because I just want a little bit of warmth and a little bit of bronze. I don't want to go too ham. To contour, I'm going to be using an oldie but a goodie. This is MAC Cosmic Force Mineralized Blush, which is a beautiful contour color for really fair skin tones. Me. It's been discontinued, but it's just still such a good color to this day, and I love it and miss it every day. To highlight my skin, I'll be using Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in Moonstone. Still not my favorite, but we're acquaintances. We can stand each other, you know what I mean? But I'm just using this on the highest points of the cheek to add an extreme highlight and an extreme glow. And again, because I am extra AF, I'm going to be using the MAC Cream Color Base in the color Hush. I love this. It just adds the most like beautiful dewy glow. The Becca Moonstone has a nice, you know, it's a nice highlight, but this adds a glow. This adds a wetness to the skin that cannot be denied. For blush, I am using another Project Pan item. This is Milani Luminoso. I'm not going to lie, I haven't used a lip liner in a long time, but this is MAC Subculture, my number one, my favorite, and I'm using this to outline and overdraw my lips. For lipstick, I'm using MAC Blankety, which is beautiful on its own, TBH, but also looks really pretty on top of a lip liner like Subculture. And then for lip gloss, I'm using the MAC Ariana Grande Viva Glam 1 lip gloss in celebration of her album releasing last night. And this is the finished look. I ended up adding some heart-shaped glitter to the inner corner for funsies. But yeah, this is the finished festive little Valentine's Day moment. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, don't forget to give it a like, and of course hit subscribe to see more of me. All my social media will be linked down below, of course. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye. And then, of course, here's me dancing again to Bad Idea from Ariana Grande because she is incredible and I love her so much. Okay, bye.